Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet a chain with this easy tutorial. For this crochet project, I'm using a sky blue color yarn and a crochet hook of size 6. The size of crochet hook depends upon the thickness of your yarn. If your yarn is too thin, then you'll use a crochet hook of smaller size, and if your yarn is thick, then you will use the crochet hook of a slightly bigger size. Chains are the beginning of any crochet project. In this class, I'll show you how to make chains in a very easy manner. Hold crochet hook in the right hand and make a slip knot on the hook. This is the very starting thing to start up with any crochet project, and before chains, we make a slip knot on the hook. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now hold the smaller part of the yarn between your thumb and finger. Bring yarn over the hook from back to front. Now draw hooked yarn through slip knot and onto hook. This makes one chain stitch. Keep on making more chain stitches of your desired need. Repeat the steps until you have reached a desired number of stitches. One thing to notice is only one loop will remain on hook. So here is the result. I made a chain of approximately 40 chain stitches. This much I need for my project. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. In my next class, I'll show you how to single crochet and continue this project further. Till the time, stay connected and like and subscribe to my channel for more. Also, hit the bell icon to get notifications of my next video. Bye for now.